My name is Jimmy Reyes, and I'm a professional comic book illustrator. Welcome to my channel, where I share tips, techniques, and an inside look at being a freelance illustrator. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show my process on how I convert grayscale pencil art into non-photo blue and print a copy onto a separate piece of Bristol board. There are several benefits in doing this. One is that it'll save you on shipping costs. The other is that if you do not want to ink over your original artwork, then you can make a separate copy, or if you do not have access to the original artwork and would like to make a copy to ink for your portfolio, then this is going to be the process for you. Well, alright, I'm going to show you guys how I was taught to print non-photo blue artwork onto a separate piece of Bristol board. Alright, so we see it here in non-photo blue, and I'm going to go ahead and start from the beginning in grayscale. The artwork was sent to me by artist Brett Booth. He scanned in the artwork at 300 dpi, sent it to me in grayscale. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it into RGB. Before I do that, I want to make sure that my canvas is set to 11 by 17. In this case, it's 17 by 11 since the artwork is horizontal. So now I'm going to go back to image mode and make sure that it is in RGB. So this will allow me to access the feature of image adjustments, hue and saturation. And then I have my preset settings in there that I've labeled and saved as blue line. And you can see the settings 180, 70, plus 55. I have it Colorize selected and preview. So we go back and start in default. This is how you would save it. You would select Colorize. And the first setting that we're going to type in the hue is going to be 180. For saturation, we are going to type in 70. And for the lightness, plus 55. And it's always going to look lighter on the screen because it is backlit. So it's always going to print darker. Now, if you select the sprocket icon, that is your settings icon, and select Save Preset, I'm going to name my preset Blue Line. And I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And I'll put Blue Line 2. And you can see if I click Save, you can see where my previous preset is labeled Blue Line. So I'm not going to save a new file. I'm just going to go ahead and hit Cancel, but you would click Save for yours. And I'm actually going to go back and use my preset of Blue Line, and you can see the colors didn't change in the background because it's the exact same settings that you see in the example here. I'm going to click OK. Now before you print it, you want to do File Save As, and now I'm going to go ahead and print after I've got File Save As, made a copy for myself. You can see here that I use the Epson Workforce 7620. I place my Bristol board through the back, the rear feeder, and the rear bypass tray, and let the printer do its thing, and you print it out, and there it is. It's on your new Bristol board. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys watching this video. It's a quick short tutorial, showing how to print the artwork into non-photo blue. This way you can make as many copies as you want, and keep inking it. If you don't like the first copy you've inked, well, do it again over and over. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you can follow me on Twitter.